Aix-en-Provence is a charming region located in the southeast of France. It is an ideal destination with its dry climate, vineyards, scenery, and idyllic hilltop villages. From vibrant purple lavender fields to the vibrant yellow sunflowers, it's easy to see why this region has inspired so many artists over the years. Welcome to Gone Travel Channel. Today, you will fall in love with this picture-perfect region. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can improve every day. Thank you. Avignon. Located on the left bank of the Rhone River, Avignon is one of the most beautiful walled cities in France. The main attraction here is the Palais des Papes, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the largest Gothic palace in Europe. It was the seat of Catholic popes for 7 decades in the 14th century. Walk along the riverbank and admire the Pont d'Avignon, the historical bridge that once spanned the River Rhone. Visit the cathedral sitting atop a hill in the heart of the city for breathtaking views. Be sure to pay a visit to the Musée des Petits Palais. It holds an impressive collection of Renaissance art, including works by Botticelli. Aix-en-Provence. Aix-en-Provence is a picturesque and elegant town that has a bourgeois atmosphere. Nowhere else in France is the art of living so well on display. As you walk through the Grand Boulevard in the heart of the city, you will admire beautiful 18th century buildings, elegant mansions, and charming cafes. Les Deux Garçons, a favorite hangout of Picasso and Edith Piaf, should be a stop. When we speak about Aix-en-Provence, we must mention Cézanne, the Impressionist painter who is deeply influenced by the surrounding colors of this beautiful Provençal town. So if you're a passionate art lover, make sure to pay a visit to his workshop and the Musée Granet, where you can see fine arts created by history's great masters. Marseille. The second largest city in France is often ignored on itineraries for not having a classic Provençal vibe. But with a history dating back to ancient Greece and a vibrant multicultural atmosphere, the city has a charm all its own. Visit the city's Quartier-le-Panier, a charming old town with a maze of narrow streets full of colorful buildings, street art, and artisan shops. Take a stroll to the Basilique Notre-Dame de la Garde, sitting on a hilltop overlooking the city, and enjoy those magical views. Pay a visit to the museum, also known as the Museum of Civilization of Europe and the Mediterranean. It is a fascinating showcase of the region's history and culture. If you want to spend time in nature, visit the Calanques, a series of limestone cliffs and small bays that are great for swimming and hiking. Arles. If you like history and antique ruins, the city of Arles will be your favorite. It is full of well-preserved monuments from the Roman times, and the old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. One of the most important landmarks is the amphitheater, with a capacity of 20,000 spectators that is still used today for some cultural events. The city is strongly associated with the painter Vincent van Gogh, who lived some time on the banks of the Rhone River. With such an artistic legacy, you can visit exciting galleries and museums like the Vincent van Gogh Foundation. It is dedicated to his life and work, inspired by the town's beauty and vibrant colors. Saint-Paul-de-Vence. Centuries-old stone cottages, winding alleyways, a panoramic view over the surrounding landscape. It doesn't get much more stunning than here. Saint-Paul-de-Vence is an idyllic fairy tale village atop a hill close to Nice. The town is often on itineraries as a day trip from nearby cities, but it is the less crowded evenings that make the atmosphere so special. You can visit La Colonne d'Or, a legendary hotel that hosted some of the most famous artists and writers of the 20th century, like Picasso and Matisse. If you are an art lover, see the MAG Foundation, a modern art museum and one of the most important cultural institutions in the region, with collections of works by artists like Joan Miro and Alberto Giacometti. You will adore this beautiful region frozen in time. Luberon. The Luberon countryside is a place of extreme landscapes dotted with captivating hilltop villages, every single one having a distinct character of its own. The most beautiful include Gourds, with stone houses and stunning views, and Roussillon, known for its distinctive red and ochre-colored buildings, made from the local clay. Another beautiful village is Bagnoul, with unparalleled views over the surrounding vineyards and olive groves. And while being in this wonderful part of France, the mesmerizing lavender fields are an absolute must-see. Endless seas of deep purple, completed with a heavenly smell under the sun in early July. In the early morning, take a hot air balloon ride and admire this beautiful purple land from above. A true, one-of-a-kind experience. Have you ever been to this magical place? What are your favorite cities in this marvelous region? Share them with us in the comments section so you can inspire other travelers to explore this beautiful part of the world. And thank you for watching our videos.